Tim Sumula ku some when is about okay, TV works like this. Mutwina betulaba wano kompeo. It is Haffy, Symor, Divosh, ne Sulaiman Sebugwao. Yes, please. Hurry, I'm doing some stuff.
He doesn't check on you.
To check on me? I'm okay, my baby. I'm okay. How are you?
Mommy, Terry wanted to see Aunt Munongo yesterday, but she wasn't here.
You go and call his mom. Go and call the mom. Tell Aunt Alicia to give you Mommy Dora's number. Do you have it? You go and call her. You go and find it. Or you call her on Aunt Alicia's phone. Please close the door.
Okay.
So, I was telling you, then there's Sebugwao sometimes. And then we have a producer who was Dr. Kwef. So, Beba Bantu, the two of us, 3, 4, 5. But what you know, making a shot in a jacompeo. I see you people, I recognize you, have a camera, I may not mention your names, yeah. But can you get a quabo? Eggulu nalabye show ya simu gwe bansembyayo. Let me first talk about Dr. Kwef. Kati kyekyo mna abantu bano bonna nabasanga nga abantu bonna balungi. I don't even know what's about Dr. Kwef, what's about Symor or Divosh. Naye Divosh, Sulaiman, mwina mwebale. Sulaiman abadde mpya nga akatujoininga ne from emabega mbadde nkolanga nabo. Thank you guys for all, because it takes abantu bangi okukola kyemulaba kompeo. Wakwamwe mula happiness Symor, you assume that is the show, yeah, but it takes everyone's effort. Singa se Divosh tagenda mu field kola tweche oba Sulaiman chine engeri gye kituze mabega. And then to the producer of the show. The producer of the show is the brains of the show. If you say to kumpeo, it is maybe talent. I don't know how to explain talent. You all know it is God given and all that. Naye omuntu wakugamba nti yogera kino kikole bwoti ne bwoti ne bwoti no chi emulating no chikolanga bwakyagadde oyo omuntu gwe tuyita producer. So nagatamu kino bingi nnyo, but I would want to say Kwef is the best producer. I know mumanyi be mumanyi. I know Dr. Kwef looked up. Thank you so much. Musajja mukakamu ne mumujjako waya nojaleti olina ku besimu ga isleti olina akola bwati byonna nabimira eri ba boss bagamba kino he na handling a show package naji ku screen kati wali ategedde tubatu baddemu n'obumulumulu. So Dr. Kwef looked up. You're such a great talented person that I have met in life, and omuntu omukakamu, omuntu ali kind. And then, Symor Kawalata, my co-presenter. I have not worked with anyone nantegeranga Symor. Taliyo. I have not. It's okay dala. Nalabye bintu bingi nnyo ebyayogedwa ku internet. Naye abantu abasinga where I got emotional babagamba Bambi Symor kati aba YouTube channel kwekolera ne Kwef gamba Bambi Kwef kubanga bo kumpewo balabanze kumpewo ne Symor badde tebalaba Kwef. Naye bwe nalaba interview ya Symor kansooke kino nkyogere. Symor engeri gyowazeemu when you were speaking about what happened, I don't know whether abantu oba wabategedde otya, nange nina bwe nabategedde. Nze nno ndowooza Symor abantu olinga eyabategedde nga abagamba. Of course bayinza okuba abo babaddeyo, because nange nabafunye ababaddeyo nga bagamba there's someone imagine now you people, how can you be one person like this? you are in a fake account and you're putting oba wawandise comment no pasting somewhere nga buli usanga ebogera ku Haffy, you're putting the same comment because already I'm taking a time whether I'm talking about me already I'm taking a time ninsoma. That's why I took my time to give up my statement. Mwabadeko abantu babiri. There's some guy called Sheriff Oyewedde agamba I'm not here anyway to care about negative people, but ekinewunyisa, how can you put on going everywhere and you get a comment here? So that person lwachenchirese is I think Symor naye yabifunyeko. Hence you know you nalowooza kyalowooza. The one person Owedde agamba nti Symor yanyambye okubeera kyendi okubeera nga he was guiding me, he was doing what sina kale bongo bukola TV, it was all about Symor. And then waliwo oli omulali yoni simanyi ninga zona fake account yowe dantenda bwambalaya ati BBS najimaze ne next week yangenze nayo ngiserving anyway nebyandese sibye. You guys, you'll be fine, very fine. It's just kuba go I get it by the time you get or you get into fake account ikitegeza you have your issues with me, so it is well. Why mbadde ngamba semayizo kwa abantu abategedde bulala Owedde atwagamba bambi Symor bambi musajja atagenda beera watya. I don't think they were saying ogenda beera watya because it was my brains behind Sumulula. I doubt wengeri gy'obadde oddamu. I remember when you explaining she asooka nebeerako omuntu then nenzirako era ogenda funa omuntu omulala. Kyenalowoozezza nti you are trying, if you get me wrong, you're my buddy, you're my friend, you also know I'm not coming here to say anything against anything, but that's what I thought. And then you're explaining them what you do. The channel was people are used to seeing us together, me and you. The YouTube channel sing me and Quef. That's channel was ero wedda. Necessary wongo banga ne touch twala nnyo, but those messages kept on saying, Bambi Symor, omulesotya. It got so emotional, like, kubanga Symor, I want to tell you, gwene Quef, bino ebintu ebyajjawo nga next media njagala tebizze leero. The two of you know. Tebyazze eggulo, tebyajja ku Tuesday when they unveiled me. You two knew. Wadde nga Quef ye yasooka okumanya, because ng'omuntu ono gamno sooka gamba ono, eventually I also told you. My biggest fear was not because I have never worked alone. Naye okufuna oyo omuntu asobola okunkomplimentinga nenkola kyenteekeddwa okukola. I think n'abantu kyadde balaba. People who work together, the duos, the Beatles have a concert. Era buli omu ayina abantu ba fans balina ba favorites baabwe. Oli ayinza okwasinga kwagala Mr. Lee, waliwo asinga kwagala Julio, waliwo asinga kwagala Bobby Lash. Those three boys could be talented nga buli omu anaakuba yekka asobola otwabya. But fenna twaba embracing abo basatu. Era ne omu n'amala abavaako bw'abala bayimbe babiri tuyinza obutakyagala. Twalabako wano radio ne Wizzo. Nze nali oku 10 years of radio and Wizzo. We've seen them. Twawulira ku ndonge y'amaanyi. Time yatuuka nga bagala kwawukana. And naturally Katonda n'akireeta radio n'afa. Where is Wizzo? Naye nga Wizzo teyakubako nnyimba nga ali yekka nga zaakabi. Teyazikubako. So I think that's what people are saying. They're going to miss the duo, the two of us. It had nothing to ono kavuddewo oli agenda kugwa kuba ayinza okuba talina kyateeka. I doubt. So don't take it that way. You are a great talent.